Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Warda's Cuisine. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. Today we're going to make a new and exciting recipe of a kachoris. Let's start. Take half cup of yellow lentils. Soak it 1 cup of water for half an hour. Next step is to boil that lentils and add more 1 cup of water on a medium flame for 15 minutes. Now take it out, blend it very well. Take the pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Heat the oil. After heating the oil, our next step is to add simple spices. We're going to add it in this mixture and it turns out yummy. And now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir the spoon. It releases out very good fragrance at that point and the flame should be medium. Now chop 2 green chillies. Add it to the pan. Fry it with the ginger garlic paste on high flame or a medium flame you can. Fry it. Now add the yellow lentils that we blended in the mixture. Now stir the spoon. Mix it with the oil. Now 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Salt half teaspoon or according to taste. Mix all these things together on high flame. Mixture will be bind together at this point. Now we're going to add pinch of turmeric and cook it again. Mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric pulp that we're going to add it in the mixture. 2 tablespoons of turmeric pulp and stir the mixture continuously on high flame. Now add the fragrant leaves for the good fragrance. Mix it. Now mixture will be leave the pan like this. It means it's ready to dish it out. It's leaving the pan. Now we dish it out and wait it for to let it be cool. Now like this. It will all bind together and it start leaving the pan. It means ready. So you can take and you can make a ball of it like it means ready and this texture is good for making the kachoris. Now take 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. Going to add it. 1 tablespoon of salt or according to taste. Mix it. These dry ingredient. Take 1 tablespoon of ghee and 3 tablespoon of oil. Add it into the flour. Yes, we are adding in the flour and mix it very well. It gives the good texture to your dough. Mix it and we start kneading the dough. Like this, you're going to quickly mix it with the oil and the ghee. You can only use the oil. Ghee is optional, but it gives the good texture of the dough, so you can use it. Now I use half cup of water while kneading the dough, and the dough should be soft. Knead it with a half cup of water. Now it's going to be look like this. This is the texture of the dough. Now I add 1 tablespoon of oil. Apply on the dough and leave it for a rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, now take one ball, roll it, sprinkle some dust some flour and start rolling it. Take medium size of ball. After rolling it, next step is apply the oil on the edges, on the corner of the Yes, apply on the edges. Fold it from this side like this, and again fold it from the opposite side. Again apply some oil like this. Next step is start rolling it like this until the end point. Start rolling it. Yes, like this you're going to roll it. Now use the knife or the pizza cutter and cut it. From the center, cut this like this. Now two balls are ready for rolling like this. Press it little bit. You can see the layers. So just press it and again roll it. Yes, like this is the shape. Again roll it. Press it. You can see it's easy, not difficult. Please try it now. Dust some flour and start rolling it again like this. It will be flaky and layers will be over there if you do in this way. Roll it the round shape. Now you can see it is like this. This is how you're going to roll it and it will be turn out like this. Next step is easy step. Take the mixture of the lentils, make a ball like this, and place it in the center. Yeah, like this you can place it in the center like here. Press it little bit. Press it and again apply the oil on the corners. Here I'm applying the oil. Now just fold in this way like you're making the fan or something in the just fold it like this. Fold it. Fold it. Press it. Giving the curves and fold it. Press it and this is the shape and little bit you can apply the oil and press it. Give the curves and fold it. Easy step. The kachori is ready to fry. So again I will show you how to now oil is ready. Now on medium, first of all we are going to heat the oil. Next step is on medium flame. On medium flame going to fry these kachoris and we can flip upside down. You can see the color. You can see now again how you're going to fold it. I will show you again like this. Again fold it from the opposite side, or you can make three folds, two folds or three folds, and then roll it and then cut into the pieces. After that in the center we're going to apply the mixture of the lentils and then make a curve, fold it, make a curve, fold it like this, step by step, just folding. It's very easy step. Follow these steps and the kachoris will be turned out really yummy. So just follow these simple steps. Just fold it like this, make a curve and fold it and little bit press it. Yes. Now I'm making another kachori like this. Fold it, fry it on medium flame. First we are going to heat the oil and the kachoris are ready to eat. It's really yummy. You can serve it with the sauce and ketchup.